So this video cost me $30,349.42 to make. In 2017, I decided I was going to make money online as an affiliate marketer. So I started purchasing training, and then I ran into software that could only be called push button. Here is a spreadsheet that totals up to $30,349.42, and it includes purchases from JVZoo that you can see, as well as Warrior Plus. You can create your own spreadsheet if you've purchased any software from either one of these marketplaces. I want to touch upon the marketplaces as I continue in this video, but I just want to offer up a suggestion. If you're watching this video and you're looking for ways to make money online, if you have found these marketplaces, Warrior Plus and JVZoo, as you can see here are the purchases. You can scroll down and you can see some of the purchases. These are dated this year and last year. But check this out. If I was to change this to all, you're going to see that this actually, if I keep scrolling here, is going to go down to 2017. Again, when I started and decided I was going to make money as an affiliate marketer, and I learned what affiliate marketing was and started actually doing it. And then I found software like you see here, Auto Comparison, which was a WordPress plugin for Amazon affiliates. It came with a multi-site license, and I decided I was going to create thousands of these websites to make more money. The problem with that is I lost focus. And that's really what this video is about. This video isn't so much about Warrior Plus and JVZoo, although I do have issues with those marketplaces and the stuff that they sell. You can see that here on the real reviews that I've done on this channel, that I've since transitioned over to a completely separate channel to review make money online products called Real Reviews. Real Review with a Z at the end. I'll leave a link to that channel as well as some reviews to see the types of products that I'm talking about from these marketplaces. And of course, this is my dashboard over at JVZoo. And if I click Access Your Purchases, you're going to see here, if you scroll down, you're going to see again more and more purchases, show 250 rows. You're going to see I have 5 pages here. That's going to refresh. And you can see that again, if I scroll down to the bottom, this goes back to where I started in 2017. And again, if you were to look at these products inside of the spreadsheet that I created, and you were to sort these from A to Z, you can see that some of these are anywhere from $1.97 all the way down. Again, if you scroll through the spreadsheet, $799. Of course, these here were actually solo ads. This was traffic. If you were to go to JVZoo, you can do the same thing. Again, $5, $99, $147. I believe the highest one that I paid on here was $2,000, $1,997. Again, don't take this video wrong, as in there's no good products on these marketplaces, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. But from 2017 to 2022, I bought a lot of these products and evaluated these products, and most of them weren't worth the money that I paid for them, just to be completely, totally honest and transparent, because they were what you'd be considered shiny objects, or what you would call and consider shiny objects, meaning that the sales page promised a certain thing, but the product actually didn't deliver. The majority of those being push button softwares or programs or systems that said you're going to be able to make money in 60 seconds, live a laptop lifestyle. The problem is the only way to make money online or offline for that matter is to provide value. Give someone in exchange for their money real value. Now, to do that online, and what I discovered and what I want to share with you in this video, is you have to create something of value, and in this case, content. And I did that, and I started in 2017, but until 2019, I never really got serious about it, because I was always looking for the next thing, the next button to push, or the next strategy that would allow me to make money quicker. So the idea here is I didn't maintain focus, and I didn't understand the time that it would take and the patience to understand that I needed to accept that it was going to take a certain amount of time and a certain amount of focus. And once I accepted that, found that focus, and moved forward and started creating content, sharing my journey, sharing the wins and the losses like I do here on 30-Minute Marketing, that these things would start to come together for me as far as the goals that I wanted for making money. So again, this video cost me $30,349.42, but I just wanted to share with you that there is hope. If you found yourself buying these types of products, you can stop and you can move forward, you can find focus, and you can understand that it's going to take longer than you thought, but honestly, not as long as you thought to actually get to where you want to be, which is making money online, meaning making a profit, spending or making more than you spend to run your online business. And of course, if you would like to know exactly how I do that, where I got started, the community I'm in, and see exactly how you can get started with the way I do it, there is a link in the description and the pinned first comment. Click that. In exchange for your email, go over, watch some videos that will explain what I've just talked about in this video, and understand that you need to find focus. You need to understand this takes time, and you're going to need patience to make sure that you stay focused and realize that you're going to have to put in the time and the effort and a little bit of hard work to make this online thing work for you. If you have any questions or comments, comment section down below, feel free, drop a comment. Love to hear what you think about this video and hear about your journey so far up to this point, attempting to make money online. And if the video is helpful, obviously, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.